Hey everybody. First off, let me apologize for the audio quality here. I promise it is as good as I can get it, so just bear with me. Do you ever have that feeling when you update Windows and then nothing works anymore? I have been having issues with my Chrome browser not opening PDFs properly ever since a Windows update, and I have a feeling many of you have had the same issue. So let's have a look at what the problem is. I am on the Student Vote website. I'm looking at lesson ideas to use with my class. I want to open up this PDF and see if it's useful. I click on it and look, I have to save it. It won't let me just open it up and see what it is without saving it first. So if I don't like it, then I have to go back and manually delete it or have a whole bunch of clutter in my downloads folder, which I do not want. So instead, what I want to do is go up here to my three vertical dots in the corner of my browser, go to Settings, then down here in Advanced, click on that. Privacy and Security is what you're looking for, and it's down here, Site Settings. Open that up. Then you got to scroll all the way down to the bottom to get to PDF Documents, and open that up, and here is your problem. Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. No thank you. Toggle that off, and when I go back to my website, I can open up that PDF and actually see what it is. Hooray! So hopefully this will work for you. If not, you may need to make sure that you have Adobe Acrobat installed in your browser. So to do that, you just need to go to your apps, open up the web store, and just do a search for Adobe Acrobat, and it should pop right up there for you. So hopefully that will solve it for you. I hope that this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.